All right, so we've got this problem. It's number 90 in the book, and we've got this lighthouse. Okay, we've got this lighthouse, and we're a boat sailing towards it. So let's read it first. A boat is sailing due north at 14 miles per hour, and it records the bearing towards a lighthouse as north 8.4 degrees east. So let's start drawing this thing. Okay, so I'm going to say I've got my boat is sailing north. So let me draw that like so. That's new. Try that again. Okay, so it's sailing north. Okay, 14 miles per hour. Okay, we've got a lighthouse over here. Sorry, if it's a lighthouse, I should draw it in yellow because it's bringing lights. Okay. Then at first, it's got a bearing of north 8.4 degrees east. So let's put that here. This is where it starts. What north 8.4 degrees east means is that you start with your direction pointing north, and then for me it's this way, but for you it's this way, I think. I get confused with the mirror. But you're going to point to the east. So I'm going to point to the east. I guess it is that way. Okay. So you're going to point to the east 8.4 degrees off. So this angle here is 8.4 degrees. 2 hours later, so 2 hours later, let's say that's here on the map, they get a bearing of north 30.9 degrees. Let's make that here. Oop. Okay, so we get this angle is 30.9 degrees. Okay. All right. How far is the ship from the lighthouse the second time? So, first thing that we can say is that we know this side. Since the boat is traveling 14 miles per hour, and these measurements are taken 2 hours away from each other or apart from each other, and this is 28 miles. Okay. We also know this angle, don't we? It's not given to us, but it may as well be. That's 149.1 degrees. So now, once we know two angles, we know this angle, don't we? Yeah, we do. That's 22.5 degrees. Right? Because this plus this plus this should equal 180. We knew this because this plus this should equal 180. Okay? So we're going to take sine 22.5 divided by 28 should equal, and what we want to know is this length. So let's call that L, for lack of a better word. I guess we're just going to do it like that. So that's going to be sine of 8.4 degrees over L. Okay, so our L is 28 sine 8.4 degrees divided by sine 22.5 degrees. Okay, and when I get that, I get 8.4 sine times 28 divided by 22.5 sine, 10.68. which I round to 10.7. Okay, this is in miles. Okay, the next question, that was part A. The next question is actually not bad if you look at it the right way. It's actually very easy if you look at it the right way. Okay, you have to ask, how close will it get to the lighthouse? So what you really need to know is, when is it going to have that right angle, or what's this distance? Draw that in orange. Okay, we got a right angle here. Okay, so all we need is we just take L times the sine of 30.9. Okay, that's going to give us the L's hypotenuse. This is the opposite. So this divided by this gives us the sine of 30, or rather 30.9 sine gives us this side divided by this side. Okay, so for part B, we're just going to calculate L sine 30.9, which we already have L, 10.7, times 30.9 sine, and I get 5.49, which I round to 5.5 miles. Okay? All right. One more applied problem, and that one will be quick. Okay? See you in the next video.